Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I know I haven't posted in a minute, but I'm back now, guys. So I'm starting off with a fresh face. I like to start off by putting my foundation all over. I do not like a cakey look, so I'm just putting like little dots and then I begin spreading it. After I'm done applying my foundation, I go in with my concealer. I found this new hack on TikTok. You make two triangles in the inner corner, you put two at the bottom of your nose, and then you put one at the end of your eyes. And it's supposed to make your face look lifted, I believe. Tell me if it works. Tell me what you guys think in the comments down below. After applying it under my eye, I like to do that because I don't know why, for whatever reason, around my lips are usually like dark. I don't know why. After I'm done blending in my concealer, I go in with this finishing powder because I like my under eye to be extremely bright because I really do have under eye bags. So this is why I make sure to always go in with this. I think I'm applying a little bit too much. I honestly haven't watched a tutorial on how to use it. I just do what I feel like I need to do and get it done. Once I'm done putting on my finishing powder, I'm going in with my lashes. If you want an easy, simple tutorial on how to put on your lashes, the video link will be in the description down below. Very easy, very simple. After this, I'm going in and starting my hair. I'm so sorry I didn't get to show you guys a tutorial of me installing this wig. I do apologize, but my computer and the storage situation, it's been giving me problems. But y'all can see it's melted. I did this like the day before, so I'm sorry. I think there is a tutorial on my TikTok, so if you want to go follow my TikTok, it should be up there. But with YouTube and storage on my computer, it's been giving me so much problems. So right now I'm just curling the hair. You know, for me, this is the first time I'm ever trying this style, so tell me what you guys think in the comments down below. do apologize for the camera angle and my charger wire in the frame, but guys, it's been a struggle. Now that my hair was finished, I decided to go back in and take off the finishing powder. Alright you guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully I will have new content out for you guys every Sunday and Monday.